Hello viewers, now we are going to discuss the certificate generation with Add-on Certify AM. In the digital era, we have seen so many programs, so, so many workshops, webinars and quiz programs through the online mode only. So that's why in this video, I would like to share my knowledge on certificate generation with the use of Add-on Certify AM. So we have taken so many examples that whenever we filled the quiz form and if we passed 50 percentage, 20%, 30 percentage of score, 80% of score also displayed in the certificate only in the Certify AM. So with the use of the Certify AM, we can add the pass percentage. We can see the our name, designation, and after fill up these all full name, designation. These are all are the fill the credentials. We can get the certificate immediately with add-on of Certify AM. So it is a mainly useful for the quiz programs, okay, because of this in this Certify controls we have the certificate records and we have insert the certificate and we have advanced options and we have give the percentage of the pass also. So that's why it is a mainly useful for the quiz programs. After the submission of the quiz form, we can get the certificate immediately. So this is the main use. Okay, when we take the webinars, workshops, these are all our things, it is not suitable to those are all the webinars, workshops. But if in any case we can use, but it is not the correct suitable for the webinars, workshops. For the webinars, workshops, we can use the Autocrat or mail image of the certificates in the Microsoft Word. So now I move to the another slide. So this is the Certify AM add-on. Previously I discussed the how to create the quiz form in our drive.google.com. We can from the drive.google.com we can go to the more options and we can have the Google Forms. Click the Google Forms. We can create the Google form of quiz. So this is the quiz form. In this quiz form we have the add-on icon. So this is the add-on icon. So this is the add-on symbol. When I click that add-on, we can get the Certify AM. When we get the Certify AM, if we are install the Certify AM add-on, we can get the Certify AM. If we are not install, it asked the three symbols are there. We click the three symbols, we get the add-ons and so many options we can see in this three symbols. Preview, settings, these are all are things there. When we click the three symbols okay, we click the three symbols, add-on is there. When we click the add-ons, so we compulsory it asks the install the Certify AM. We in the G Suite marketplace we have the so many add-ons are there, Certify AM, Autocrat and form manager. These are all things are there in the add-ons. Whatever we required add-ons, we install that add-on. So after the installation we get this symbol and if we click on the symbol we have get the Certify AM. Okay, the Certify AM, we click the Certify AM, we have the in the Certify AM show Certify AM controls, recent certificates, about Certify AM, help. So show Certify AM controls. If we first start the certificate generation with using the add-on Certify AM, so we click the show Certify AM controls, resend. So this is resend certificates. If we some certification is turned off and certificates are not sent to the participants, that's why we click the resend certificates, and whether it is going to send or not, we can check the resend certificates. And if it is not unprocessed the certificates, we click the processed it is going to the reprocess the certificates. About certificate, so these are all are the in the about certificate it shows the so many instructions and what is step by step how we can start the certificate. These are all are things are there about certificate. Help, if you have any face difficulty in the certificate add-on, okay, we can go through help. So if we have get any problem, any disturbances in the certificate, we can click the help. So first as a teacher, I would like to I have to conduct the one I would like to conduct the one quiz program. That's why that's in that purpose I would like to go to the create the quiz form. After that creation of the quiz form, definitely we will install the certificate. After the installation, the show certificate controls is displayed in the whenever I click the certificate. So now I click the certify controls, this one. Okay, I click that, displays this certify. Okay, now first status, this one is the this is the certify add-on. In the certify first status, certification is off, turn on, records, pausing, template, quota, more. Okay, so in this I am not starting the certification is on. So now I am going to start the certification. If certification is off, it is whatever the changes we can make, it is not the take into account to create the certification. So that's why first certification is turn on. Okay, these are all are the certify controls. Okay, now I move to the other slide. So click on certification turn on. Okay, now I click on the certification turn on. Okay, now I click the certification turn on, I get these certification is on. Okay, you can see before slide certification is off, after the turn on certification I get the certification on. Okay, we get the certification is on. Okay, in that link to exam turn off. If turn off the certification, we turn off. Link to exam, this whatever the quiz link is also we can copy and send to the other persons. So next, records, certificate records. Okay, first one is we completed status means is whether it is off or on the certification. Okay, now certification is on, is already completed. Okay, next thing is records. Now I move to the certificate records. Okay, in the certificate records I have these are all are the certificate records who are participated in this quiz program, and who and we can know all these things, their email address, and when they are submitted, what time they submitted the quiz form, and their email addresses, full name, other identifiers. Okay, we can have the in the certify add-on we have the other identifiers. Okay, other identifier only I have given full name and designation. If other identifier too, if the form I insert the institution name, university name, or place, city, state, country, these are all are the mentioned. If these are all are the have in our form, compulsory it is inserted in the other identifier automatically. We cannot do anything for the certificate records. Whenever the form is submitted, quiz form submitted to the exam convener, definitely it show in the certificate records. This is a total score. Out of 20 marks score, and percentage score 100 to 100. Passed, true. Certificate ID, we can give the certificate ID also is there in the certify add-on only. Okay, these are all of the certificate records. Okay, participants who are participated in the program, what percentage of score they can scored, and certificate ID, their designations, their institution place, these are all are the things were done in the certificate records. Okay, with the only the quiz form, based on the quiz form the records is displayed. Next I move to the next slide. So in the next slide we have the next option is passing percentage. Okay, what as a convener, what percentage is included uh, for the participants. So I would like to insert the pass percentage. 50% enough. That's in my view, the 50% is enough to the participants who are if we have the 20 questions, in the 20 questions 10 questions is correctly attempted, correctly they mentioned, definitely they got the certificate. Okay, if the passing percentage 50% is scored by the participants, that persons only get the certificate. Okay, if before below the 50 percentage, 40 30 20 percentage, they can, if they scored 30 40 or 20 percentage, they cannot get the certificate. That's why passing percentage only mentioned in the certificate order. Okay, next is the template is there. Below the passing we have the template we have the so many designs, golden, those are all the different types of templates are there. If we have take the different type of templates, or we will go to create the own certificate creation based on our creativity. We go to the Google Slides, we create the our own certificate template. Okay, after that we click the template. In the template, golden, zigzag, so many varied types of designs for the certificates is there, but I don't want to go to the others certificates. That's why I want to create the own already I have created the certificate in the Google Forms. That's why use a custom template. I click the use custom template, and then after click the use a custom template, I got the set up your own certificate. In that select a new file. This is the custom template. After the click the custom template, we get this box is there, set up your own certificate, select a new file. When we click the defaultly we have the golden template is there, but if we don't want to go to the other designs, we have the our own template. That's why go to the select a new file. After the click on select a new file, we have this in our Google Drive, whatever the account we have opened for Google Forms and certificate generation. So in the drive, if you have created your own design of your certificate, those are already certificates displayed in your drive. Okay, that's why I have the one certificate. These are all the certificate templates are there, but I have choose these certificates. Okay, for the quiz. Okay, these are all the for created the for webinars and workshops. I don't want to go to this types. I go to this quiz quiz certificate templates. I click on that. First you have selected this one. Okay, after selected that, we click on that and you go to the select option. Okay, these certificates only you have, we have created the certificate with your own creativity in the Google Forms of your with signing up your own Gmail account. Okay, after click this certificate and go to the select. Okay, go to the select, click on select. Next we have get the certificate. Okay, in the certificate for workshop. Okay, that is not workshop. I select the one certificate. Okay, next save changes. After the insert the certificate, and we compulsory we should click on the save changes. Okay, after the save changes, we get the save changes. We have the in this already it is saved this certificates, whatever your own certificate template is saved in the template box. Okay, next this preview all image me sample preview all. Okay, preview all means the golden zigzag whatever templates are default in there in the template box, it is displayed in the in whatever the preview all, total all certificates or templates are previewed all. If we have like the designs, we go for that designs. If we don't like the designs, we go to the our own creativity, we can design our own certificate template. Okay, email me sample. If the any sample you can select that, select sample, go you get the email, through email you get the that sample certificate. Okay, next. Okay, then I don't want to go to the preview all, email me sample. That's why I created my own certificate. That's why I go to the click the select my new certificate and select it in my drive whatever I created previously, and go to the save changes. After the save changes, I have this thing template. Next, quota and 94 emails remaining. I have already 6 responses all responded. That's why 94 emails remaining are there. In the quota, in the 35am with the personal account, only the 100 emails send. The certificates should be sent to the only 100. The size of certificates is only 100 certificates sent to the every participants. So that's why 6 emails I got it, and 6 certificate is going to the 6 mails. Next, this is the quota. Okay, next, advanced help operate. This is the very important advanced. I click on that advanced, I got the 35am advanced options. Okay, in that we have the exam options, email options. In the exam options, in the we are in the quiz program. Okay, quiz form. So whatever after submission of the quiz form by the participants, they can see this message. Okay, whatever message you have typed, this message is going to the see after submission of the quiz form by the participant. Okay, defaultly this is there. Defaultly this one is there. Thanks for submission. If you pass, you will get the printable certificate shortly. Okay, now I have some changes. Thank you for your submission. If you get 50%, then you will receive printable certificate. Only by I have mentioned in the passing percentage 50%. That's why I typed in the exam options 50%. So whatever information you can type, you typed for related to the quiz form. And allow CC via other identifier, so it is not required in that. And email options. In the email options, name of sender. So name of sender means who are sending, whether convener, and you can mention your name or the convener of the quiz program. And subject of email. Subject of email means what purpose you can create the you can using the certifier, what purpose e-certificate. Okay, subject of email means that subject is going to the e-certificate, whatever it may be you mentioned. Whether you mentioned only certificate, it is that in the name of e-certificate you can get the email. Next thing is the content of body. Okay, now we can see what is the content of body. In the content of body, you can write in the advanced options, congratulate dear participant, congratulations for your active participation, and you got the you successfully completed your quiz program. So these are all the things you have typed, and thanks and regards convener of this quiz program. You can write in the contents of the body. This is the content of body is displayed in the that content of body is displayed to the email of participant. Okay. Okay, this is the dear participant, congratulations for successfully completed the quiz. Okay, this is I wrote this is message which will be sent to the participants email. Thanks and regards convener. Okay, certificate BCC. Okay, maybe BCC means if 100 participants is there for quiz, and the 100 certificates will be sent to convener also. So that is a certificate BCC. Whenever sent to the participant, that certificate same is attached to the convener mail also. Okay, send an mail send email and attempt failed exam. If we cannot get the 50 percentage, below 50 percentage, failed exam. In the failed exam you can type, okay, sorry, you are not get the this certificate due to the your passing percentage is below the 50 percentage. If click in on that, you get the message, you get the content of the body also there, you can type on that and save. Next, certificate options, send as PDF, okay, definitely PDF, not the image. Next, share via email and time zone Calcutta, data format automatic. Next, click on save changes. These are all certify advanced options. It will be, these are all the options displayed when the quiz form submitted by the participant to the convener, and also the with attach of the certificate, the content of body information is also going to send to the participant to the their respective emails. Next, okay, next, save the changes, or whatever you mentioned, these are all are the save change, these are all the changes can be saved in the certify order. Okay, this is the quiz quiz form. Okay, now whenever we fill email address, compulsory, whenever we attended any program, any workshop, any quiz program, compulsory you should mention correctly email address, otherwise you don't get the certificate. When you attempted and you passed but you are not entered the your correct email address, you cannot get the certificate. Okay, and you enter the correct email address and full name, designation. If I insert institution, place, state, vagera vagera, we can get the you can insert those are all things also. Okay, next, that those are, this is the section 1. In the model quiz I have given only email address, full name, designation only. Like this is section 1. In sections 2, e-quiz, quiz on economic reforms. Who is the father of economic reforms? When the economics reforms was introduced? Okay, these are all are the questions I have inserted. For question 10 points, 10 points, total 20 points. Okay, after that send me a copy of responses. If you enable this button, you enable this button after the submission of the quiz, that mail, you get the mail successfully submitted. Next, submit, click the submit. After the submit, you get the view score. Okay, please see. Thank you for your submission. If you get 50%, then you will receive a printable certificate shortly. Whatever I typed in the certificate advanced options in that is form options, so this is can get this message whatever I typed. If you are not typed, automatic default is there. If you mentioned 50 percentage, 20 percentage, 80 percentage of marks, they can the participant can idea, oh okay, if I get the 50 percentage, I get the certificate. If I are not a 50%, I cannot get the certificate, I fail the exam. They know they will. That's why we mentioned this message in the certificate advanced options. Next, click view score. Okay, after the now I click view score, I get the this 10 by 20. Okay, 10 by 20 I got the marks. This is the view score. Next, I got the certificate. After the submission, immediately I get the certificate for e-certificate. Whatever I mentioned is certificate advanced options, that is the subject of the email, e-certificate. Okay, you got it the point. E-certificate. Okay, certificate for, this is the in the PDF format. Whatever I mentioned in the certificate options, PDF image, definitely we as a convener, definitely all are the persons go to the PDF is the most important. Okay, next, this is the certificate I got it. Dr. K. Srivani, assistant professor, I successfully completed the program economics reforms. Okay, this is the certificate of the quiz program by the participant. Okay, they successfully completed. After they completed, the automatically the certificate is going to send to the participant email address. Okay, this is the certificate about the certificate add-on. Thank you for listening and watching this video, and I hope you will get idea. you have get the idea about the Certify add-on. Thank you.